Is your MacBook suddenly not turning on right after the macOS 26 Tahoe update? If it won't power up, no matter how long and how hard you have tried, don't worry. We'll walk you through some easy to follow ways to fix it. Doesn't matter if you got an Air, Pro, Mac Mini, or iMac. Alright guys, so first of all, bear with me. If you can't see the keyboard backlight, feel the haptics, just keep hitting the F2 button and make sure the brightness is not set to low. Now if that is not your issue, just go and plug your Mac to a charger. And while you do so, make sure the charging indication is showing. Just go ahead and leave it on charge for half an hour. Now your Mac should turn on by itself if it was just a battery draining issue. Now if the light was showing but it didn't turn on, what you can do is just replace the MagSafe with a Type-C cable and plug in your Mac and charge it with that. Now, if that didn't wake up your Mac, what you can do, whether your Mac is plugged in or not, just press and hold the power button, hold it down until it shows the Apple logo. If your Mac was still not turned on, some of the users have said that repeatedly pressing on the power button has helped them. So what you can do is just press on it back and forth just to make sure it wasn't got stuck or jammed by anything. And then once again try to force restart your MacBook. Your Mac should turn on without any problem. If it didn't, or maybe it did, but this problem keeps happening regularly without any reason whatsoever, what you can do is now just hold down the power button for a long time, not press, just hold it down even if the Apple logo appears. If you hold it long enough, it might go into service mode. If you were able to enter the service mode, hit the options, select your account when prompted. If you got multiple, put down your account password, just follow the prompts on your screen. Eventually, you will end up in the recovery section. From here, what you need to do is just select Disk Utility and then select Macintosh HD. Now after that, hit this first aid button and then just hit Run. And if prompted, just press Continue. If there is anything wrong with the operating system on your Mac, it might show up in here. Apart from this option, you can also go for reinstalling macOS Tahoe from the recovery section. But please make sure this will delete and erase all data on your Mac and will start fresh. Or you couldn't even go to the startup mode, there might be some hardware issue with your Mac. So in that case, we recommend you to contact Apple support or a trusted service center. Thanks for watching.